Okay, folks, I'd like to have something to talk about, but since we don't have any volatility today, maybe I could read a bedtime story to you. Trying to be a little facetious here. Hold on just a second here. We're getting another signal here in the crude oil. Just give me a second. I got a chance to make a couple of bucks, so bear with me here. Here's the crude oil. Where at you, crude oil? Down here, down here, down here, down here, down here. Hold on just a second. This is the one I wanted to feature today anyway, but we'll just get this up here on the hourly chart. And as you can see today, look what happened, folks. The high today was exactly 382 of the high 5 days ago, right there. Now you hear that little beeping going over there? Now let's just see where we are now. We're going to go down to a 13-minute, and we're going to take a look at it and see what it's doing. And move it over this way. Remember, these things work sometimes, and sometimes they don't. That's all I can tell you. You come down to there, right there, and what she do just now, she just hit her 61.40. We're trading that right now, and I wouldn't risk more than about 40 points on that, but that was a nice move down. So if you got 40 to risk, that's up to you. Folks, I started the day early late last afternoon, evening time, New York. And I wanted to bring to your attention what I was looking at. It was in the bond market. Basically get this out of the way so we can get the bonds back up here somewhere. There's what we were looking at. I saw this happen right after the opening in the bonds here today. And with the Dow Jones was down 1,500 at the time. The S&P was down 270 handles. Those are the ones. And the NASDAQ, I don't even know what it was doing because I don't follow that. But anyway, when that hit that was a perfect drive 1, drive 2, drive 3. And I said in the video, I said, this might not be don't expect too much of a crash today. Gosh darn. Because the bond market is telling you it doesn't want to crash. And it hasn't. Now, it's had a heck of a break. 4 handles in bonds, folks. Do you know what? That's a lot of money. $4,000 for something that's got a margin of 6. Where'd we stop? We stopped right at the 382. So I don't think I think the market's going lower, but whether it's going to be a crash, I surrender.